What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your ink cartridges on your Epson XP-2200 printer. So to do this guys, we will need some replacement ink cartridges ready to install on our printer. The first thing to do guys is to lift up the top of our printer to access the inside. You can do that by finding this handle here and just pulling up the top half of your printer. So, as we can see here guys, there are some instructions on how to get the ink cartridge or ink carriage to present itself to you so you can replace your cartridges. Now to do that, you just want to hold this button here, just hold it for 10 seconds. And then what it's going to do is the ink is going to start flashing and it should just present itself to you. So the ink is now flashing, the cartridge is going to do some tricks. And here we go, it is presented itself and you can now replace your cartridges. So, to replace your cartridges, guys, you just want to press this little lever here at the back. Just press on this and then pull up your cartridge. Now, make sure you dispose of this safely, guys. You don't want to damage anything around you. These things can leak. So once you do that, guys, just throw it away and then get your replacement cartridge, guys. Make sure that you have unpacked it and make sure that you don't take off the plastic at the bottom, as the Epson printer will need it, and make sure you take off the yellow tag that comes with the cartridge. So once you get it guys, you just want to place it exactly as you had before in the rest of your printer. So I'm just gonna do another example. We're gonna take out the yellow. Okay, so we've taken this out. We're gonna throw this away and dispose of it. We're gonna get a replacement yellow cartridge and we're going to place it exactly as we had before. And to do that, we just place it down horizontally and just click it into place. So it might take a few tries, but eventually we've got it stuck. And guys, just make sure that it's nice and stuck in there. Don't press this button, otherwise it will take it out again. And you can do the same with your black ink and the other 4 cartridges. So make sure you just get it in there and then it clicks into place very nicely. So once that's done guys, you just close your printer and then you will be done. You can press this again to have it go back and then get ready to start printing again. So as you can see, it's going to go slide back and we're ready to go. So just lower your printer and eventually guys, in a couple seconds, this flashing light should go away. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that this helped. If this did help guys, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. And yeah, guys, if you're looking for any paper supplies or new cartridges or anything like that, make sure to check out the link in the description, as we have a really great paper supply store, printer supply store. They do global shipping, all of that, guys. They do really good deals. And yeah, you'll be helping out a small business and you'll be helping out us. But thank you guys very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.